Hey guys, so quick video for you if your heart rate is not working for your Garmin Fenix 7. So I was looking for some kind of solution, and this is something that I found if the heart rate is not detected. So of course the first thing we can do is just like standard, turn it off, turn it on. If this is not going to work out, you can also try to reset it. Or do you want to try the power cycling the watch? I would recommend trying a hard reset. For this, hold the light button until the watch shuts off, as opposed to select the power off. Then power this on again. If there is no change, check in the watch menu to see if the sensor software version are listed. Menu system about, scroll down, look for the VHR, sensor hub and BMX version. In FDO is showing 000. This would indicate a problem with the sensor software. Use the steps below to reinstall the software. You want to hold the menu button, you want to select the system, select about, press top left light button 8 times, and then you just want to scroll to the very bottom and select the options to reinstall the software. So try these things out, maybe some of it is going to help you. I hope it does. So actually fix it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you and try it out. Have a great day and goodbye.